I want you to go and fire your copywriter right now. If you are still using a copywriter for any of your ads, any of your digital marketing, go and fire them. I'm going to help you get 80% of the way completely done with your ad copy in just minutes using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write your ad copy to make it sound better, and how to create your own custom GPT that will just pump you out tons of creative. That again will get you 80% of the way there, so you don't have to pay the copywriter. All right, so jumping right in, you can see I have my custom GPT here. It is literally called the Elite Copywriter. Stupid name, I know, but that's just what I came up with, and I didn't change it because it's all used internally. Now, how did I make this is the big question, and I will show you. It is really simple, and where most people fall short on creating these custom GPTs is not, or any GPT, and using ChatGPT or Claude or Perplexity or anything, is not treating it as if it's a person. So would you go to a copywriter and say, hey, I need you to write ad copy for my coffee? No, you wouldn't. You would actually have to give them information, or at least they would have follow-up questions. So that's how I'm treating these. So first and foremost, I go to ChatGPT and I tell it that I need it to create a job description for a copywriter, and I give it how many years of experience they need, what kind of knowledge they need to have, education, etc. And I even give it a pay amount, which is excruciatingly high, of $200,000 a year. But this is so we only attract top tier talent, right? Then ChatGPT will pump out this really long job description. And from this job description, and you can read it, go through, make sure it sounds right and has everything you need, make any tweaks, tell it to add whatever you need. Then from this, all I literally do is say, okay, cool. Now use that to create a prompt to create a custom GPT bot. Do not use any trade. And this is a big key here, is you don't want it to use any trademarked words like Facebook, YouTube, Google, etc. if you plan on sharing this bot with anybody. So if it's internally with your team, if you're using it as a lead magnet like I do, you won't be able to share it. OpenAI just will not let you share it. So make sure that it doesn't include any of those. If it's only for you, who cares? Go ahead and let it do it. You'll still be able to use it. But yeah, then it pumps out the actual prompt that I need, and then I copy this prompt. So I copy this prompt, and this is where you would then go and create a custom GPT. So you're going to click Explore GPTs, click Create, and paste those instructions right there. Give yourself a name, create an image. You can test it right here on the right-hand side, but that's how you inevitably end up with this kind of a bot. Now, a big thing, again, that comes with these bots or using ChatGPT is giving it enough information. So in this other tab, I have where I needed it to write me ad copy for a product. I literally fed it all the information about the product, copied the product description from the product page, copied the product reviews, copied different FAQs, and you can see this, all this information that I fed into it to then get different ad variations. And I told it what kind of style to write in, so the PAS, the AIDA, value equation are just a few examples, and it pumps out 5 different examples. From here, you're able to adjust it. Again, don't just take these and copy and paste it, right? Read them, make sure they make sense. You can just communicate back and forth with it to adjust it. But then I wanted 5 different ones based on the value equation. So initially it was kind of like the PAS method. Then I wanted to use Alex Hormozi's value equation. Well, then it gave me a bunch more written in the value equation. Then there's just too many emojis. I was like, all right, do this again, but without the emojis. It's way too many emojis. We're not 13-year-old kids. We don't want that many emojis. And so then, yeah, here we go. Pumped it out another set of 5, the same 5 minus the emojis. And then from there, I'm like, okay, I know I like some of these, but now I would like some headlines to go along with these. And then it pumps out headlines specific to each ad variation. Again, we're using this to get you 80% of the way there. 80% of the way done is usually as good as 100% done. So I don't want you to create these, then exactly copy and paste them. I want you to read them, and I want you to add your own spin, maybe adjust some words, make sure it's not overly using the words enhance Ants or Skyrocket or Delve. Even in the GPT instructions, you can, I'm trying to pull it up here, you should be able to tell it that I do not want you to use the following words or phrases. Literally, just Google commonly used words in ChatGPT, and you will find a list that you can paste in there. So this way it doesn't use these words most of the time. Still read it because sometimes it will do it, but you get the point. Anyways, this gets you really, really close to what you need to do for your ads. So now you know that you can create all your ad copy. You can create these custom GPTs very simply, very easily, and save yourself money, pump out tons of ads for your business. You can even create these GPTs the same way for your C-suite. Now, granted, these aren't bots, but you can create a COO, you can create a CFO, and these are bots to bounce ideas off of. They're not going to go out and do the work for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one, and good luck out there using your new chatbots in your business.